Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been keeping up with us lately, you'll know that we've been doing major renovations to our cabin in the woods up in the North Arkansas Ozarks. We call it Dogwood Trace. We've really enjoyed that place. Originally when we bought it, it was a 20 by 20 room. And in 1617 we added on and did an addition, and we've been spending our time on that part up until this year. We turned our sights back to and our attention back to the original part of the cabin, and we've done a major renovation in there. And you've probably noticed in our most recent videos that we used tongue and groove pine car siding. We did the entire ceiling, all four walls, and put down laminate flooring. We added a closet in the entryway, a corner hutch at the back door, a pantry, a kitchen area, and the last thing that we've done that we're addressing in this video is the Murphy bed. This was a real challenge because we had limited space between two windows and more than that, between two electrical outlets. I never would have done it and gotten it done the way that we did without the help of Terry, our craftsman. He's a tremendous guy. He does excellent work. He looked at that and said, I can get a queen in there. I don't want to take too much thunder from the video, so thanks for coming along. Stay tuned. Terry original right there. A Murphy bed. And we made it. With a winch.
He did a wonderful job because we had to go between two outlets in this old cabin and make it fit. So this was truly a figure it out as you go.
Work of genius.
Yes. And I wanted the crank because a lot of times we have no electricity out here, and I wanted something that I could handle. And so it has a security bolt, but I can handle that crank just fine.
And we have a brand new queen mattress.
Yes.
At the house waiting to be installed.
Yes. He was able to get us a queen out of this space instead of the full that we would have had to do ourselves.
So again,
and it wouldn't have looked this nice either.
He worked his magic.
This is a beautiful shelf that doubles as the support when we lower it down. Strong.
And it matches all of our siding in the cabin. He's a real craftsman. And if you need his services, just comment down below and I'll connect you guys with him. He's a tremendous carpenter, craftsman. Well, there is our finished Murphy bed. You notice we made a little headboard so that you could keep from pillows and things falling down back behind. And you notice we have some hospital type curtains here.
Yes.
To partition off an area so that people have privacy.
This will wrap around the end. It'll go all the way to the corner, And that one will come all the way to the end.
So this is our convertible bedroom and a brand new plush Queen Ashley individual wrap coil mattress.
It's getting, the top part takes 3 days to fully expand. So since we opened it, I can tell a difference already in 30 minutes. So it's getting softer as we speak.
And thanks to Terry Rollins Jr., who is our craftsman and carpenter who helped us. He engineered that so that we could get a queen between those two windows. I never would have done that.
No. Well, it's not just windows. We have electrical outlets that are on the inside of the windows. So
it butts right against electrical outlets. And so he measured it to the 16th of an inch and said, we can get a queen in there. I was going to put a full in there. He helped us design it. And as you can see, we crank it up with a manual winch.
Which I asked for. Comes down here. And it'll hook here. We've got to let a little bit more out, but it'll hook there, and I can handle it. That's what I wanted. I wanted something manual in case the power goes out, which it does frequently up here, and something that I could handle. And I've cranked this bed up and down several times. So it works, and it's wonderful. I'm just thrilled.
This is our guest room when we have guests. So, you're letting more out, Teresa, so you can show them how it works.
Pull on it. Is that enough?
That is enough. Okay. We have to put the headboard up first.
What?
Crank a little more. Okay, yeah. We have to put the headboard up first. Ready?
Is that between?
Push a little, there you go. And that fits right there. Between, we have this area right here to put pillows and the bedspread and other storage. We're putting a towel here to pad against the edge of the mattress so that when we pull it up, it won't cut into the mattress. And you may wonder, why didn't we just extend the loop on the bottom? Because of the amount of space up here in the top. If we extend it any further, it won't pull it up tight and the bed won't go up flat.
So that I can put in this security bolt.
So we have to have it this way. So what we have to do is pad something right here.
Okay, you ready for
I'm ready. Let's try and see what we can do. Okay. There we go. And then we put in the security bolt in the corner there. So why don't you close this video for us, Teresa?
Thanks everybody for going along with us on our cabin renovation. Now I get to figure out where to put everything. So, if you like our videos, then please hit the like button. And if you have any comments, we would really appreciate hearing from you. We thank you for watching and going along through all this journey with us. Have a good day, and God bless you.